Latest data from the International Federation of Robotics show that Singapore had 3 robots for every 50 employees in 2020. This ranks it with the second highest robot density in the world, and the number has been growing by 27% on average every year since 2015. And when it comes to the FMB industry, SoftBank Robotics believes that menial and repetitive tasks like dishwashing and waiting tables can be fully automated.
Tray delivery is the easiest one, low-hanging fruits, but the cooking is not yet ready, but some part of the cooking will definitely be automated. And the other simple tasks like order taking or let's say cleaning or everything will be automated. And the outdoor delivery also will be automated soon, maybe within 3 or 4 years.
Still, Mr. Yoshida acknowledges that deploying robotics can be costly, especially for small restaurants. That's why it's working on rolling out cheaper versions of its robots to meet demand, like a light version that performs the same primary tasks but without the extra bells and whistles. Food delivery services are also taking advantage of robotics in their daily operations. This little guy fetches products from various merchants in its cloud kitchen back to a central drop-off point, making it easier for riders to pick up orders and deliver them faster.
The layout of a web kitchen requires our runners to navigate a few turns and corners to get to the merchants that are further in. And these different merchants actually have very different preparation times. So our runners have to go back and forth multiple times just to consolidate one mix and match order. So deploying robots reduce the time taken to perform tedious and repetitive tasks, hence improving our efficiency.